This is a new Lamborghini Revuelto, and we are here at Vital Energy Motorsports here in Kent, Washington. This car is going to be getting the bulk install of our DYNOshield. So let's watch Thomas jump into this and get going on this install. Why our PPF stands out. This is our signature teal cap sheet, which is tunnel proof and easy to plot for installers. Leaving the teal cap sheet on until installation keeps the film free of contaminants and ensures the highest possibility for gloss, clarity, and overall finish. It has superior resistance to contaminants, UV rays, is self-healing, and water resistant thanks to its ceramic-infused top coat. This means it has increased durability against wear, abrasions, and even stains. Those of you choosing STEK, this will make your life a lot easier.
Not only that, it's self-healing. It's as easy as parking the car in the sun or using warm water to get rid of the light surface scratches.
You know you're choosing the right paint protection film for your vehicle. It's because we don't rely on a traditional glued laminate to provide a protective top coat. We use a proprietary liquid application which allows for exceptional clarity without the heavy orange peel look. Choose the right paint protection film for your vehicle shouldn't be difficult, so we made it easy. Protect what you love with STEK.